Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss regional acupuncture treatment for neck. The main channels involved in fibromyalgia pain in the neck are the small intestine, bladder, gallbladder, and triple burner. The muscles underlying the muscle channels of the small intestine, bladder, gallbladder, and triple burner channels in the neck are as follows. See here the points of the neck for fibromyalgia. We use the DU16, gallbladder 20, bladder 10, and GB21. For regional acupuncture treatment, for neck, the small intestine. For superficial, the sternocleidomastoid, splenius capitis, middle scalene. For deep, it's levator scapulae. The bladder, for superficial, it's occipitalis, trapezius, splenius capitis, splenius cervicis, levator scapulae. For deep, it's suboccipital muscles, semispinalis capitis. For gallbladder, if it's superficial, it's trapezius, sternocleidomastoid, splenius capitis, levator scapulae, scalenes, omohyoid. For deep, it's lateral pterygoid and medial pterygoid. For triple burner, if it's superficial, it's trapezius, splenius capitis. For deep, it's levator scapulae. For strategic points, we use bladder 10 or the Chanzu. This is the most important point as it affects the bladder channel both upwards and downwards. So we use the points GB20, the Fangqi, GB21, the Jianjing, and Du16 and the Feng Fu. Thank you for your attention.